was an early start to make it up to the top before it got too hot. Once across the river, you follow a fire trail nearly all the way to the base of the castle. The track below the castle was washed away in several spots, making progress a bit harder. This is the start of the track up. It looked overgrown as there was a number of trees fallen across the path, which you had to negotiate. Then once you passed that, you went up onto the right and through another slot with a large boulder and tree in place, which took a bit of challenge to get past. Rightio, when you got up that section, you had to walk along another section until you could see the creek coming down, and there was a slot. It looked like it didn't go, but you go right to the end of the slot, then up the end you just have to do a bit of chimneying to push up, and then once you're up there you're on the track which hits to the summit. The visitor's book could use a new plastic bag, so if anyone's going up, take a plastic bag, A4 size for the visitor's book. Heading back down.